Where did you put your keys? Your brain doesn't scan a text file of locations. Instead, it activates place cells and grid cells, the same neurons a mouse uses to navigate a maze. You are literally re-walking a mental map of your recent past. This internal GPS is so powerful that blindfolded people, when trying to walk in a straight line in an open field, will inevitably walk in looping circles. Without external cues, our internal map drifts.
But what if the object isn't just misplaced, but truly forgotten? A book left on a park bench. It's no longer on your mental map. Yet it continues to exist, leaving its own subtle marks. Its weight creates a slight temporary depression in the wooden slats. It casts a shadow, cooling the spot beneath it by a fraction of a degree, momentarily changing the behavior of the microbes living there. These are physical echoes.
The universe, on a fundamental level, may not allow for true forgetting. The no-hiding theorem of quantum mechanics posits that quantum information cannot be lost. When a particle's state changes, the information about its previous state isn't erased. It's imprinted onto the correlations between other particles. Imagine shattering a teacup. The information about its original shape is still there, just scrambled across countless pieces and sound waves and heat.
So the unique quantum state of every atom in that forgotten book on the bench isn't deleted from reality. It's just smeared. Its information gets entangled with the bench, the air, the sunlight. The specific arrangement that made it that book is now encoded in the subtle, chaotic dance of the wider environment. A cosmic echo, impossibly faint.
This lingering influence has a name in biology: stigmergy. It's how termite colonies build complex mounds without a blueprint or a leader. Each termite doesn't know the plan. It simply reacts to the structure it encounters, adding a bit of mud here, a tunnel there. The structure itself guides the work. A forgotten object is like a single, frozen stigmergic cue that no one is responding to anymore.
Think of an old coin dropped between floorboards. It has left your world, your economy, your story. But its new life has begun. It becomes a passive participant in a different ecosystem. Microbes colonize its surface. The slow drip of moisture creates a unique patina of copper oxide. It is no longer currency, it is geography.
Its experience of time changes. Your life is measured in events, appointments, and memories. The coin's time is measured in atomic decay, in the vibrations from footsteps on the floor above, in the slow accumulation of dust. Each layer of dust is a chapter in its secret history, containing pollen from forgotten springs and fibers from clothes you no longer own.
This forgotten object becomes an unintentional archivist. That dust isn't just dirt. It's a high-fidelity record of the unseen world. Analysis of dust can reveal the presence of pets, the types of food cooked in the kitchen, even the travel history of the home's occupants based on foreign pollens. The coin under the floor is silently recording everything. Its very substance is a clock. The metal alloys, created in a furnace decades ago, contain specific isotopic ratios. These ratios can act as a fingerprint, tracing the metal back to the very mine it came from. The coin isn't just a coin. It's a condensed piece of geological and industrial history, sitting silently in the dark. This isn't limited to objects. Think of a desire path. the dirt track that cuts across a corner of grass. It's the physical memory of thousands of forgotten decisions, of people trying to save a few seconds on their walk. No one planned it, but the collective, forgotten choices of strangers created a new feature in the landscape. The path is the memory. So when you finally lift that floorboard and find that old coin, you're doing more than recovering a lost item. You are colliding with a timeline that branched away from yours. It has been on a different journey, a slower, quieter one. The feeling of it being a relic from another world isn't just a feeling, it is. It has lived a whole other life without you.